We're looking at this scenario. Access going on in River State gives everyone cause for concern because what both parties seem to be doing, generating so much reaction across board. From what you've seen, let's start off with this rally. What's your assessment of it? Because the police says we didn't grant anybody any permits to hold any such rally, while the other people said, look, we applied. It was just a rally, not a political one. I mean, no campaign was going to be held there. So the argument is going back and forth, but what do you think of that?
Well, I think it was an unnecessary reaction from the police because people have a right to gather. And as long as they've not started becoming, constituting themselves into a breach of public peace, they should not have been attacked. What the police did was to make them look so important, or make them look like it was a threat. People can gather. Churches gather every day.
Yeah, but churches and this are two different things exactly. You see, because this is about politics.
Yes.
The gathering was going to hold in Obiakbo local government area, and then the police was, from what they say, look, they just wanted to forestall, but they tear gas them bottom line eventually. And you say what? That shouldn't have happened?
It shouldn't have. People have a right to assemble. It's an overflogged fact that the Constitution guarantees it. When Gani went to the Supreme Court on it, the Supreme Court said you don't even need the permission of anybody. And I watched the Commissioner of Police arrogating to himself powers he doesn't have. He's saying, I said I didn't give this, I didn't give that. It's wrong. If you go to any police station or any police command, the Constitution did not envisage that police will be giving permission to rallies. Neither does the Police Act, because the Police Act has form. If you want to apply for bail, for instance, there is a set form. If you want to apply for release of certain exhibits, there is a form for it. There are different forms. The police has no form for permission for rally.